As summer draws to a close, the anticipation of a new school year begins to ripple through households. The excitement is palpable. New beginnings, new friends, and new knowledge await. But before diving into this academic adventure, preparation is key. That's where the essential back-to-school supplies come in. From backpacks that can endure a year's worth of homework and extracurriculars, to notebooks ready to be filled with notes and doodles, the right supplies can make all the difference. Imagine the first day of school, stepping into the classroom with a fresh backpack slung over your shoulders, a colorful notebook in hand, and a pencil case stocked with everything you need. Each item is more than just a tool. It's a piece of the puzzle that completes the picture of a successful school year. From the basics like pencils, pens, and erasers, to organizers and planners that keep chaos at bay, these supplies are essential companions. High-quality markers and crayons unleash creativity, while a sturdy water bottle reminds you to stay hydrated through those long study hours. With a well-thought-out shopping list, the process becomes not just easy, but enjoyable. It's about setting the stage for a year where challenges can be faced head-on and achievements can be celebrated. So let's gear up and prepare to conquer the school year with the confidence that comes from being ready, equipped, and eager to learn. The right supplies aren't just about surviving the school year. They're about thriving and making each day count. Ready, set, school.